Good evening. What I've found out from trying to record a stupid video on YouTube is figuring out a intro that doesn't sound fucking stupid is the hardest thing. Anyway, what I'm trying to do is open a pack of cards every day till I run out of cards. But if I do open something really rare, I'm going to open another one. So, may get 30 or less days depending on how lucky I am in opening these packs. I suppose I should say, I'm starting with Pokemon cards, probably going to do some Magic later on, and the really rare cards I'm just going to straight up sell to fund buying more packs basically, because I just want to open lots of packs, finish work, get home, just want to have pack opening fun. So, without further ado, let's just switch to the other camera somehow. There it is, figured it out. Right. It's literally taken me all night just to get this far. So, got some Pokemon Sun and Moon booster packs, a full box, 36 packs. Oh, god. That's going to be awesome. But, first of all, I thought it was a good idea to buy this, which I thought it was bigger. Yeah, the pictures online don't really show just how small this thing is. So there's also a pack in there, so I'm gonna open that, and one from the main box. Oh god, it's beating me. Here we are. This is actually really hard to do with the camera in front of you. So, oh yeah, can hold 60 cards. Hopefully I can sleeve them and put them in here. But otherwise, I don't know. Be handy for holding onto the reverse foils, I guess. Good old Lunala, Sungaleo. Haven't played Pokemon Sun and Moon yet. Probably should at some point when I have time. But yeah, God, these packs look good. Let's just get into it. Oh god, I'm probably gonna mispronounce some names so badly, but God, you'll hopefully forgive me. I think there was something good in there. I might have seen something. Oh god. Oh, that's a card. Might redeem those later. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. I think that's how it goes with these. Of course, if you're into watching pack openings, I suggest watching Shady Penguin, because he basically inspired this. So, Sandile, Snibble, Fearow, Grubbin, Spearow, Fairy Energy, Rotom-Dix. After counting your prize cards, shuffle them into your deck, then take that many cards from the top of your deck and put them face down as your prize cards. Well, whatever. And we got a Pukumu. Oh god. Great Ball. Reverse foil, a Alolan Diglett. That's pretty cool. And Lantern. Oh god. Wasn't anything in there. Oh god. That's alright though. I'll deal with those later. And right. Come on. Give me one of those awesome GXs. So I want awesome rares. Yeah. So we're going to do one pack from here, and another pack the day after, and so on. Or if our first pack has a GX, we'll do another one. Let's go for one in the middle. Oh, come on. Open. God. No. Shady Penguin. Makes this look so easy. God. Oh god. There's definitely something there. I saw the side. Man, I'm such a cheater. Oh god. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. Oh god. I've ruined it. There it is. Yeah. Man. Alright. Here we are. Chinchou. Good old Paris. Poliwag, Jupiter, an Eevee, Steel Energy, Dragonair, Poison Barb, Torracat, Reverse Foil Spearow. Oh, yes. Oh, god. First box out of the pack. And it is Espeon GX. What does it do? Put 10 damage counters on your opponent's Pokemon in any way you like. What? Oh, god. That's really good. That's... Oh, man. You can see, of course, where the light in my room is hitting it, but... Fuck. Take the 30 more damage times the number of energy attached to your opponent's active Pokemon. God. Well, that's going on Trade Me. So, oh god, I should have had some sleeves out ready for this. God, wasn't expecting it straight off the top, but god, do another one. Oh. Okay, oh, man, wow, awesome, fucking great. Man, that 10 damage. So you could just knock out like probably a couple of basic Pokemon on the bench if you wanted to, or just take out a threat that's been damaged previously. Yeah. What a fucking powerful card. Oh man. Oh well. Yeah. I think I want to try and play the TCG online. Some of these codes that I save up, and then I think at the end I'll just sell off the box of cards. Just see if anybody wants them. Oh god, did I do the trick? Oh god, whatever, we'll just go through. I'm still thinking about the Espeon. Oh god, it's still there. Oh man. God, it's freaking crazy. What an ability. Jeez. Wasn't full. Is it the full art version? Oh, I'll have to look it up later. Anyway, Drowsy. Oh god, I'm doing it wrong. Cutie-Fly. Skarmory. Bonsweet. Alolan Diglett with hair. Energy. Rotomdex. A Pukumuku. That... Yeah. Great Ball. Resfall Yungoos. And a foil Shinotic? Was it Illuminate? Once during your turn, before your attack, you may search your deck for a grass Pokemon, reveal it, put it into your hand, then shuffle your deck. Jesus. Alright, you do that while it's on your bench. You can just fish out what you need. Yeah. That's cool. It's gonna be how there's not like four on the Pokemon bit. What do you bet? That's cool. Oh well. That'll do for today. God, that's not a bad one. God, not a bad start to opening these. See how we go, if we get any more awesome super rares. Alright, well, thanks for watching, if you did, all the way through, because, yeah, it helps if you like, subscribe, whatever everybody else says at the end of their videos. It must be good, I guess. So, yeah, until tomorrow. Peace out. No, now I'm stopping.